Hello everyone, I am Arshafreen, Maths faculty in Tala Padmavati International School. Today we are going to deal with Class 1, Chapter 6, Time. Children, what do we use to see the time? Yes, clock. So children, our 6th chapter is for project. And till the end of this video, I am going to give you one project which you are going to submit me along with the documentation. So watch the video very carefully. So children, have you ever noticed at what time are you waking up? At what time you are having your breakfast? At what time you are going to play? At what time you are going to bed? These all things comparing with watch, have you ever noticed? If you have done, it's really good. If not, today we are going to discuss how to compare the watch and your activities, your daily routines. Okay children, so let us first discuss about the clock. So children, this is my model clock. At your homes, everyone has a clock at their homes. It might be of different sizes, different shapes, different models. But children, everywhere you will see only 12 numbers in the clock. Is it clear? So, the face of the clock will always have only 12 numbers. Okay, and this face of the clock is called as dial. Okay, and there are also hands to the clock. Okay, so there is a short hand and there is a long hand. There are actually 3 hands. One hand will be always moving. So that's not necessary for you now, but for now you focus on the short hand and the long hand children. So whenever we want to see the time, we have to see the short hand, because short hand represent hours and long hand represent minutes. Okay children. So when short hand is on 2 and the long hand is on 12, that means it is 2 o'clock. We have to always see the short hand. So it is 2 o'clock. So in the same way, when the short hand is on 3 and the long hand is on 12, it means it is 3 o'clock. When short hand on 4 and long hand on 12, that means it is 4 o'clock. If all the 3 hands are at 12 o'clock, then it means it is 12 o'clock. So children, what you are going to do here it is, you are going to see the time in terms of short hand. So when you get up, what is the time? Where is the short hand? If the short hand is on 7 and the long hand is on 12, what does it mean? It means it is 7 o'clock. You got up at 7 o'clock. You had your breakfast at 9 o'clock. You attended your class at 11 o'clock. At 12 o'clock you had your lunch. At 1 o'clock you went for a nap, sleeping nap. Then again at 2 o'clock you attended your class. At 3 o'clock you did all your homeworks. At 4 o'clock you had your snacks. At 5 o'clock you started playing. At 6 o'clock you watched TV. At 7 o'clock you had your dinner. At 8 o'clock you were studying. At 9 o'clock you went to your bed. So is it not simple children? So you need to see at what time you people are doing. Now children, let us discuss the Spandana's daily routine. She get up for the school first, she eat breakfast, then read a story in the school, then has her lunch, then she goes to play, then she studies, and after that she goes to bed. This is Spandana's daily routine. So each and everyone will have their own daily routine, no children? So like that you will also have your daily routine. So what you have to do, I'll be telling you in the end of this video. Now, tick the activities that you do in the morning. So what are the activities you do in the morning? You have to tick, children. The activities you do in the evening, whether you do bathing, playing, going to school or going to bed, what are the activities you do in the evening? You need to tick. Next one, tick the activities that you do in the day. What are the activities you do in the daytime? You need to tick. Tick the activities that you do at the night. What are the activities that you do at the night? You need to tick among these. Now put this number of activities in sequence. So what is the sequential order of these activities? First, what we have to do? First we have to take the flour, then add the water. What is the stepwise procedure of this activity? You need to put the numberings. Okay, children. Here you have to tick the activity which takes longer time. To fill the big bucket takes longer time, or to fill that big can it takes longer time. To going by walk takes longer time, or going by cycle takes longer. Which takes longer, you need to tick that. Okay, children. Now from workbook, children, here are the similar bits, like it is given as a daily routine. Getting up, brushing time, get dressed, eat breakfast. You can take the help of workbook. And also here he has given tick the activity which you do in the morning, the activities which you do in the evening, with the activities which you do in the night. You need to tick among these. Okay, children, with the help of textbook and with the help of workbook, you need to do the given project. And your project is to prepare your daily routine in this format. Like for example, you woke up when the shorthand is on 7 and the longhand is on 12. So at 7 you can draw the picture, paste the picture, or else you can write waking up. So like this, in this, these are some of the models which I am showing you here. Okay, in this model you can do your project showing the daily routines, or you can try any other different method. Okay, but it should be a innovative method. So you need to prepare your daily routine using these following models or any other model. Okay, children, and you need to submit me along with the documentation. Hope I am clear. Thank you.